Hey everybody, I just got my friendship lamps. Miren esto. This is super cool. You can keep connected no matter how, where the distance. Wi-Fi touch lamp. These are designed to connect no matter the distance. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. So check this out. I got the 4 set so I can keep in touch with my friends, my family, with over 200 colors to choose from the app. You can customize the vibe for any mood or moment. Perfect for best friends, relationships, your loved ones. Let's try one, see what it looks like. So when I touch the lamp, it'll notify my loved one that I'm thinking of them. So it's super cool. No matter the distance, keep in touch with your loved ones. Get your lamps today and stay connected.